Number 1, we will tie the hairs in the front. Take the hairs on the back like this and divide it into small sections using a rubber band. Now again, make the plaits on the back. Join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the plaits on the front or the back part, you can say like this. Take the hairs from the back to make the plaits. It will give the lining effect on the back side. Make the plaits till the end and fix it using a rubber band and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top like this. Tie the hairs and then rotate it. Now fix the thread on each strips of the hairs like this one by one. Take the colors as per your choice. Fix it by tying the plaits on the hairs and it's ready. Next, we will make the plaits on the sides like this. Take the hairs from the sides and the back as well and make the plaits carefully on the hairs. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Tie the hairs till the end and then we will fix it using the rubber band. Take the hairs properly. Don't make it too tight. Tie the hairs, join them together, rotate it and then fold it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Make the plaits like this. Now, after making the plaits, we will join them together one by one like this. Tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits. Fix them like this using a rubber band. Take the hair and then pull out in the top. Tie all the hairs together on the back. Pull out the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the side and then rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After rotating it, we will divide it into two parts and make the plaits. Fix it in a heart shape, roll it upward and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the back. Now rotate it. Now divide it into two parts and make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs from the sides one by one and then fix them together on the back again. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Join it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.